channel. I'm Tolga, and today is Valentine's Day, dus we're gonna make today macrame earrings and in a feather look, dus just like this one, okay, and get started. Little line, it's the first string. What I'm gonna do is, I have here earring, put them inside just like this, hold it to the end, push them down just like the corner, and I have my first. What I'm going to do is, I have also here knob, and what I'm going to do is put them together. I want to make here a knot, because I want not to lose that. Make a knot here to the end. Just this. Make another knot. Must do it in 3 times. Second knot, you can see if I pull this one up to the end, the knot will fall and will hold that one for me. You can see it fits perfectly in the knob and it will never go off. Okay, this is the first step. I have 30 strings from pink, and I have 20 strings from green. They are 28 centimeters long, both of them, and that's the pattern what I'm gonna use for my earrings. Okay, just let's begin. One size under and one size up. You take the end one up in the eye from under, hold it, from under the eye from up, you pull them together, you made an 8, pull it to the end, and you can push now. Pull cord to one size. Now we do it again. One size under, one size up. You take the end from up in the eye from under, you take the eye from under the end to the eye from under. You pull them the strings together, you get an 8, just like this, and you can pull it upsize to the end. This is how you do it. With different colors, fresh ones, pink with mint green, because it's trendy now, and these earrings, you're gonna cut them in a leaf form, in a leaf, this later, Dus I made them in 7 different colors, and you can choose your own colors what you want to do. Use cotton. It's easy to use it later. I'm gonna show you how you do that. And I used another cord in the middle here, this blue one. It's easy to see what you do. If you choose the same color, maybe you go wrong, maybe. But my experience is do it in another color, the same material, just another color. On the end now, made just this pattern. You can see. And just the end. Now what we're gonna do is make a knot here in the end, because we want to move them from up to the top. Dus one time you hold the strings very hard and you push them, just make them stronger. Easy. You want to not just like that. You can remove the tape. Made a knot at the end of the rope. Now it's not gonna move. We're done. Okay, I made a knot on the end of the rope. You can see. I'm gonna cut them. Doesn't not really need. I'm cutting it now in a leaf form, just like. If you want, you can cut it a little bit more. You're gonna see it's coming in shape, and it is easy to cam the end of the leaf on cotton, and it is I love the colors. Those are great. You can see how they're getting in shape. We're gonna stiff them up later with hairspray. Gonna use that. I will do it off camera because I want to not spray in house. I will do it on my balcony. And if you spray that, it gets a little bit stiffer. A bit more in shape. You can see how it's now. I did spray it outside. You can see now it's a little bit stiff. Gonna cam it in shape now. Which kind of shape you want. And extra is holding out the lines. You can cut it with the scissors. And if it's dry, it will stay in the same shape which you wanted. Okay, this is my first ring, my earring. Yeah, we are done with it, and this is what I made of, and it's Valentine's Day. You can give it to your girlfriend, to someone you love, and they will love them because you made them themselves in color which you wanted. And don't forget to subscribe down below and keep the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.